Sports cards are a type of trading card that feature an image of an athlete or athletes with identifying information. Originally, sports cards were used as promotional items, frequently alongside tobacco or confectionery products, until a T206 Honus Wagner sold for $1,265,000 at an auction in 2000, equivalent to $1,901,044 in 2020. And since then, other sports cards have been sold at even more expensive prices over the years. In this video, we will be looking at the 7 most expensive sports cards. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Here are the 7 most expensive sports cards. Number 7 on the list of the most expensive sports cards is the Wayne Gretzky 1979 O-Pee-Chee No. 18 PSA 10, priced at $3.75 million. There are just 2 copies of Gretzky's 1979 O-Pee-Chee rookie card in a PSA 10 grade, and 1 copy sold for a record $3.75 million in a private sale. This sale is the record for any hockey card ever sold and finally put hockey cards on the map in the ranks of basketball and baseball. Gretzky is considered one of the greatest hockey players and athletes of all time, and still holds numerous unbeatable records. Throughout his career, Gretzky won 4 Stanley Cups. The 6th most expensive sports card is the Babe Ruth 1933 Goudey No. 53 PSA 9, priced at $4.2 million. The 1933 Goudey set featured 4 Babe Ruth cards in total, but the yellow background is acknowledged as the toughest grade of the 4 with just 1 PSA 9 in existence. This card sold for $4.2 million over the summer, a record for any Babe Ruth card, and came from the collection of a Florida doctor who passed away. Ruth is considered to be one of the greatest hitters to ever play the game of baseball. But he started his career as a pitcher, and went on to win 89 games between 1915 and 1919, putting up an ERA of just 2.16. Ruth was a 4x World Series champion. The 5th most expensive sports card is the Patrick Mahomes National Treasures Rookie Auto. This Patrick Mahomes BGS 8.5 National Treasures 1/1 Shield Patch Auto holds the record for the most expensive football card ever sold. In July, PWCC privately brokered a deal for the sale of this card to LJ's Card Shop for $4.3 million. Patrick Mahomes is currently in his 5th NFL season, and has already won an NFL MVP award and a Super Bowl. Mahomes is off to an extremely hot start to his career, and has been dubbed the NFL's most exciting player. Like Doncic's record card, there is built-in scarcity for this true one-of-a-kind Mahomes rookie card. However, as Tom Brady still plays at a high level even at age 44, Mahomes has big shoes to fill to live up to this record price. The 4th most expensive sports card is the Luka Doncic 2018 1/1 National Treasures Rookie Patch Autograph Logo Man. Back in February, this 2018 National Treasures Luka Doncic Rookie Patch Autograph 1/1 Logo Man held the record for the most expensive basketball card ever when it sold via a private deal. Unlike Mantle and Wagner's cards, this rookie card has built-in scarcity, as it was designated a unique one-of-one by Panini. Despite being upgraded, and Luka only played 3 seasons, this card still fetched $4.6 million. Doncic has averaged 25.7 points per game to go along with 8.3 rebounds and 7.8 assists per game so far in his career. He's drawn comparisons to LeBron James and Michael Jordan, but he's only in his 4th season, and has yet to win an NBA championship or MVP award. The 3rd most expensive sports card is the LeBron James 2003 Exquisite Collection Rookie Patch Autograph Parallel No. 78/23 BGS 9, priced at $5.2 million. ESPN ranked LeBron James as the 2nd best basketball player of all time behind Michael Jordan. Fortunately for LeBron, he entered the league at a time when card companies were producing rookie patch autograph cards. Jordan did not have such a card. This parallel is limited to just 23 copies and features a 3-color patch, and took back the reins of the most expensive basketball card ever sold from Luka Doncic. The second most expensive sports card is the Mickey Mantle 1952 Topps No. 311 PSA 9. If there was one card to potentially challenge Wagner's prominence, it would be the Topps 1952 Mickey Mantle. Up until the Wagner sale, a PSA 9 copy of this card held the record for the most expensive sports card ever sold when it was purchased by actor Rob Goff for $5.2 million in January. There are just 6 copies of this card in a PSA 9 grade and only 3 in a PSA 10 grade. A gem mint PSA 10 Mickey Mantle is estimated to be worth somewhere between $15 million and $30 million. The most expensive sports card is the Honus Wagner T206 SGC3. It's estimated that there are just 57 Honus Wagner T206 cards in existence, a supply cut short given that Wagner did not approve of the American Tobacco Company producing any more of his cards. The set was originally intended to produce 200 Honus Wagner cards in that year alone. The set continued to run through 1911 with thousands of additional cards, but Wagner's is the scarcest on the planet. On August 16, an SGC3 graded copy of this card sold for $6.6 million, a record for any sports card. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.